everyone, welcome to chapter 10. This one is on factorial ANOVAs, and we're only going to have a very short recording today, only about 15 minutes. That's all we have time for. So just as a reminder, you've been studying one-way ANOVAs or single factor ANOVAs, and these are statistical tests that are used when you just have one independent variable. And you want to know if that independent variable has any effect on your dependent variable. But the other piece of critical information is that this one independent variable that you are looking at has at least 3 levels. So it could have 3, 4, 5. Usually we don't have too many levels. It would be unusual to see more than, 7, maybe 8 levels. A factorial ANOVA is different because here we're able to study more than one factor simultaneously, so 2 or more independent variables. All right, so factorial ANOVAs are used to see if 2 or more factors or independent variables, alone or in combination, have an effect on the dependent variable. Now, remember that the number in front of the word way tells you how many independent variables you're analyzing. So in the previous chapter, it was one-way ANOVA. That means one independent variable, okay, 3 or more levels. With factorial ANOVAs, you have, at the very most basic level, you have a two-way ANOVA. That means 2 independent variables. If it was a 3-way ANOVA, it would be 3 independent variables, and so on. All right? Now, this chapter, we're focused on 2-way ANOVAs, which again means what? 2 factors, 2 independent variables, okay? Now, there are 3 different types of 2-way ANOVAs. We can have a 2-way independent ANOVA, and this is when each of your IVs, that is each factor, is between subjects. So if you have factor A would be between subjects, factor B would be between subjects. And by now, you need to know what between subjects means. All right? Very important. A 2-way repeated ANOVA is the second kind. And in this particular analysis, each independent variable is within subjects, or there could be both independent variables could be matched subjects. Remember that, the matched design, where we have different people in each level of the factor, but they have been paired or matched. So a 2-way repeated ANOVA, in theory, could be both factors are within subjects, both factors are matched subjects, or you could have a mix. So one factor is matched and the other is within. Then we have the 2-way mixed ANOVA. With a 2-way mixed ANOVA, it means one factor is between subjects and one factor is within subjects. Or that second within subjects factor could be matched subjects. All right? We're gonna go over each of these different analyses in detail. So don't worry. For now, let's just keep it simple. And we'll say that the 2-way independent ANOVA is used when both factors are between subjects. The 2-way repeated ANOVA is used when both factors are within subjects. And the 2-way mixed ANOVA is where you have one factor that's between and the other factor that's within. Okay, so we're just going to keep it simple for now, and we'll go into all the nuances later.